We are going to make bruschetta, 2 types of bruschetta. And then, after that, mini lemon and limoncello tiramisu. Yeah, okay? All right, let's start with the bruschetta. So the way to do it is this. You put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top, very hot griddle pan because you're looking for marks. And the bread should be the thickness of my finger, right? I roughly chop a clove of garlic. In there, I'm gonna put a little pinch of salt. And then I'll just crush like this. Can you see what's happened?
Yeah.
It becomes like a puree. This is a good tip for you, Justina. We all know that you love your garlic. So that it goes straight into the tomatoes. In there, we're gonna put the basil and then a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Then you very gently fold it. So far, we got a classic bruschetta. Guys, it's as simple as that. For this one, we got the gorgonzola cheese. We're gonna add a little bit of Parma ham. We're gonna put a little bit of honey on top. Then on top of that, we're gonna put some crushed pistachio nuts. And they just look sexy.
You know, instead of olive oil that you put in at the beginning, can you use butter instead?
Sorry, it's not like I'm not gonna answer. I'm completely ignoring you. That question.
Asking for a friend, you never know.
Okay, now we're gonna go for the tiramisu. We need to separate the eggs first. You run the egg white through your finger, and then you get the perfect egg yolk. Now, first thing you do is the egg white. As soon as it starts to foam up, we go with the sugar, yeah? Now, how do you know when the egg white is done? Huh?
You can tip the bowl upside down.
But on your head. See, I'm confident that mine is done. Okay? Only at this point, you're gonna go for the egg yolk. And you want the egg yolk to be beautiful and pale. Now in there, we're going to straight away add the mascarpone cheese. Okay. Egg whites into the mascarpone. And you fold it in lemon zest. All right, now is the time for the limoncello. A little bit here. Okay? Layer of the cream goes on the bottom. We get a biscuit. So you put it there. Then I'm gonna put another layer of cream on top, and then we do it again. Yeah. Put them in the fridge, and only then, after 4 hours, this is gonna be ready. Cool. All clear?
Yep.
Yes. Come on.
Clear.
Let's cook up some love. Yeah. Go, 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 go. You know, you need to move quite fast, otherwise things like mascarpone, cream is gonna melt. Okay, nobody's listening to me anymore.